Facebook Marketplace, as of December 2025, does not offer a traditional, readily viewable search history like you might find on Google or Amazon. This is a deliberate design choice, prioritizing user privacy and data protection, aligning with regulations like GDPR. Instead of a chronological list, Marketplace emphasizes saved searches and favorited items. We'll explore why this is the case and how to work with the available features. Meta has rolled out AI-powered search recommendations, allowing users to receive tailored suggestions based on past activity, location, and interests. This indirectly addresses search history by learning from user behavior without storing explicit logs. Also note that following the European Union's Digital Markets Act (DMA) enforcement in 2024, Meta has limited data retention for marketplace searches to 30 days for non-essential data, making long-term history inaccessible. This means there is no easy way to see a list of all your searches. Since a direct search history isn't available, utilize saved searches and favorites to keep track of items and categories you're interested in. To save a search, perform the search, then tap the bell icon and select Save Search. This will notify you of new listings matching your criteria. Access your saved searches by going to Marketplace, Notifications, or Settings. To favorite an item, tap the heart icon on the listing. Access your saved items under the Saved tab in Marketplace. While not a perfect substitute, these features effectively create a personalized history of your interests. Note that recent Facebook app versions includes a Recent Searches shortcut in the Marketplace tab, but it's limited to the current session or device. No cross-device syncing for full history is available, prioritizing privacy.